Welcome to the Spellbinders August 2026 Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Happy Jacks. This 5.5 by 8.5 inch embossing folder features a pattern of fun jack-o'-lantern faces. This 2D embossing folder can be used to create A2, 5 by 7, slimline, and other large-size cards too. Let's use this month's embossing folder to create a card. Start by cutting a piece of Spellbinders saffron cardstock to 4 by 5.25 with the Spellbinders guillotine trimmer. Open the embossing folder and turn it so that the top of the folder is in front of you. Use Hero Hues Fruit Punch Reactive Ink and swipe the ink pad directly onto the inside of the top of the embossing folder. Then place the cardstock carefully on top of the ink and close the embossing folder. To make the standard embossing folder sandwich for the Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine, start with the platform base A. Add the platform top B, and then add the embossing folder with the ink and cardstock inside. And lastly, add a clear cutting plate on top labeled C. Run this sandwich through the die cut machine. Open the embossing folder to reveal the inked and embossed image. Placing ink on the top piece of the folder inks up the indented background of the jack-o'-lanterns and leaves the faces uninked so that they look like they're glowing. Once the ink is dry, which happens relatively quickly, place Spellbinders tape runner on the back and then adhere it down to an A2 piece of Spellbinders blush cardstock. Cut out some Spellbinders vellum from one of the perfect arch dies. Place small black foam squares behind a sentiment from this month's Stamp and Die Club that is white heat embossed on black cardstock and add it to the arch. Then use some ghosts die cut from Tutu cardstock and backed with Raven cardstock for eyes. The larger ghost is from this month's large die of the month, and the smaller ghost is from this month's small die of the month. Once you have the ghosts popped up on the vellum arch, flip it over, add liquid adhesive to the back, hiding the adhesive behind the ghosts and sentiments, and then place it down on the embossed background. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!